Welcome all to the second part of General Assembly, Article 18 to 22 of the United Nations Charter. Voting. Article 18. Each member of the General Assembly shall have one vote. The decision of the General Assembly on important questions shall be made by two-thirds majority of the members who are present and voting. These questions shall include recommendation with respect to the maintenance of international peace and security, the election of non-permanent members of the Security Council, the election of members of the Economic and Social Council, the election of members of Trusteeship Council in accordance to Article 86, Para 1 Subclause C, the admission of new members of the United Nations, the suspension of rights and privileges of members, the expulsion of members, questions relating to operation of trusteeship system and budgetary questions. Next, the decision on other questions including determination of additional categories of questions to be decided by the two-thirds majority shall be made by the majority of the members who are present and voting. Article 19. A member of the United Nations in its arrears in the payment of its financial contribution to the organization shall have no vote in the General Assembly if the amount of its arrears equals or exceeds the amount of contribution due from it for the preceding 2 full years. The General Assembly may nevertheless permit such a member to vote if it is satisfied that the failure to pay is due to conditions beyond the control of its members. Next is Article 20, which is the procedure of the General Assembly. The General Assembly shall meet in regular annual session and in such special sessions as the occasion may require. Special sessions shall be convoked by the Secretary General at the request of the Security Council or a majority of the members of the United Nations. The last part of General Assembly, which is Article 21 and 22, here it starts from Article 9 and ends in 22. So now we are in Article 21 and 22. Now Article 21, the General Assembly shall adopt its own rules of procedure. It shall elect its presidents for each session. Article 22, the General Assembly may establish such subsidiary organs as it deems necessary for the performance of its functions. Thank you.